Day, students. So we are continuing with the June 2024 examination question 7B, where we have completed question 7A. Ne? Okay, let's continue. So question 1 says we need to retrieve the file that we have saved. Question 7A, survey to answer question B. So we need to go to our student files. Okay, so here's the file that we have saved. And then they say we need to insert a picture COVID-19 from the computer practice student files folder in the first row in the picture box and control the fields. Ne? Change the size of the picture to 13,81 in width and 2,54 in height. And insert a thick double line border of at least 1,5 pt around the picture. Ne? So we need to insert a picture from file, desktop, go to our student files. So have a look. Student files in 6, June 2024, and then B. The file that we need to insert is COVID-19. Insert. Okay, just gonna make it bigger. So we need to go to picture format. Ne? Then we need to go to the size. We need to deselect these or unselect these columns to get or set our height for a particular picture. Ne? Let's have a look. Okay, the size. Just put it to the side. Okay, 3,81 size. 3,81, and then the width. That's the width. Okay, 2,54, and the width is. Okay, can you see that it gives us an error? We need to make it a comma. And then the width, we have it 3,81. 3,81, deselect that. 3,81. Okay, and then press OK. There's a picture. And then we need to insert a double line border. Okay, we select the picture, go to table design, select borders, go to borders and shading, select double line border, and then the size needs to be 1.5. Because I say 1,5. See, okay, it's correct. There you have your double line borders. Okay, just confirm that your size is still correct. Yes, there was some movement in the picture. As you can see, this needs to be 8.1. And this 10 says 2.54. 2.54. we are done. Let's continue. Insert today's date in the date picker field. Okay, today's date. It is 3rd June. Key in examination number and question number respectively in the right hand cells to the name and questions number plain text control fields. Okay. Okay, so in the name field, you're going to type in your developer world, XS design. You can type in your ID number. Okay. And then questions will be questions will be switch it off. Tick and select 3 no boxes in the controls fields. So we need to select 3 no boxes. Okay, we've selected that. Leave 2 lines open after the last row and of the table and insert a page break. No? So there, 1, 2, insert page. Check. Okay, 1, 2. Insert the page break. Okay, we need to remove the header as we have typed it in the column. Okay, so from here we need to insert. Okay, so now we're going to change the layout of the document on page 2. Make sure your cursor is on page 2. Just say from this point forward, change the landscape. Okay. Landscape. Okay, so let's continue. Change the layout document from page 2 onwards. Insert a double line border of at least 1.2 around page 1. So, okay, so I highlight the text. We go to insert, design, borders. We select first page only. And then let's say double line border. And then 1.5. Let's confirm. Insert a double line border of at least 1,5 meter only. Okay, so let's just change the size. So it's 1,5. Okay, as you can see, it's only on the first page. Okay, insert a facet sidebar text. Okay, insert text box. Yeah. Facet sidebar. And then they say in page 2 on the left hand side of the page, edit the text box to display the graphics only. Delete the text inside the text box. Do not edit the size of the text box. Okay, so we only need to delete that. Okay, that is sorted. Insert the file workplace that has been saved in the computer practice N6 student files folder after the page break at the top of page 2. So you need to put the cursor in front, put your cursor on the top, and then they say we need to insert the workplace. Later, Control A, select all, we right click, copy, and we paste. And we paste. Okay, we look now. And they say move the last paragraph to ensure to become the first paragraph. Okay, so the last paragraph, just change the size here. The last paragraph must become the first one. Move the paragraph if your temperature to become the third paragraph after the heading. Okay, if your temperature. This must be third after 1, 2, 3. Third one, cut and paste. Ensure that there are 2 open line spaces between every paragraph. So double line spacing. Let's have a look. Okay, after each paragraph, double line spacing. Just check something. Okay, I think this will be better. So first insert your spaces. Okay, then you highlight the text. it after spacing to 0, just a single, and just press enter. There you have it, double spacing. After each paragraph, insert a picture pandemic that has been saved in the computer practice folder in the first paragraph, centered in front of the text. Edit the size to, okay, so pandemic 1. Go to insert, picture, test device, pandemic 1. Front of the text, change the size, deselect the ratio, and just confirm what is the size. I'll go to 2.5. There we go. Okay, we can just click on the picture basically, and align it. Center, so hit center, the green line will tell you. Okay, let's continue. Insert the picture pandemic 2 that has been saved in computer practice in 6 files folder into the third paragraph. So 1, 2, 3. Same size, insert, illustration, picture, just this one. Just change front of behind the text. This one is behind the text. So just make sure that you have selected the picture. Change the format or the size. Just have a look. Look on my phone. So you can see it's not changing at the bottom, or it's changing at the bottom. Then just press OK. Then you need to put it in the center behind the text. Center behind the text. Okay, you can continue on to number 17. It says insert the following 2 citations in the end of the last 2 paragraphs in the document. Okay. Insert the 2 citations at the end of the last 2 paragraphs. So the first one, I assume, is going in there. So here we have the last 2. So the first one going here. Go to reference. Insert citation. Make sure to check the restaurant system that it is Harvard. No? Then you insert your citation, add a source. Okay, type of source is a website. Scroll down to website, and then the author, Just click edit. First name is Janet. And now surname is Black. Just add, say OK. And then name of the web page, caps on, pandemic, notes, then the year exist 2023, and the URL is let's put caps off. PS France is web md dot d France what uh, pandemics. There's your first citation. No days exist, only the year exists. Then you press OK. First citation is in. Second citation. Insert citation. Choop. Add new citation. This is also a website. The author is Tapelo. Add. OK. Web page name. Cron. Access 2023. And then caps off. France caps on Omicron. If you do not use the caps or the uppercase, you'll get the wrong marks for accuracy. Right? Leave 2 line spaces after the last paragraph in the document and create the bibliography. Ensure that the heading bibliography is displayed. So 1, 2. Let's just go to citation, bibliography, and then you insert bibliography. Okay, this is how your document or Word file should look like. Question 7b. We just moved this particular text box to the second page as instructed in the question paper. So it was displayed at the bottom and we move it up. That you can just change the black if you need to. Okay, and that is Microsoft Word. Referencing covers, pictures, and also application forms.